Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning generational wealth. And that secret concerning generational wealth, it can be found in the Bible. And also concerning generational curses, it can be found in the Bible also. But I want to focus more so on generational wealth and what the Bible has to say about generational wealth. And you will find that secret in Proverbs chapter 13. I want to believe verses 22. Okay, but make sure check it out for yourself. Where it speaks about a good man or a wise man, that he would secure wealth for his children. It is referred to as an inheritance for his children. So my brother, my sisters, what am I really saying to you? I'm saying to you that you must first of all understand that the Bible is a book of mind science. And that the Bible is not a religious book or a book of just mere morality. But it is a book that is teaching you how to tap into your creativity, how to tap into your genius mind. Because when you understand how thoughts work and how thoughts become things, you would realize what it really means when it says, as a man thinketh in his heart or his subconscious mind, so is he. So, wealth and poverty have to do with your mentality. Therefore, those who look inwardly and create inheritance, which is basically something that was done that it would live on from generation to generation, and each generation will benefit from it. That is true wealth. And true wealth cannot be attained without wisdom. That is why you have to seek first wisdom. Wisdom of self. Because when you seek the wisdom of self and you truly find that wisdom, you will definitely find your calling, your purpose. And you would operate in your creative self, your infinite self. And that is why, my brother, my sisters, if you look in any country, you would see families who have set up wealth or riches, I should say, in that way of thinking. Okay, I would call that riches. Okay, they have set up riches because they use their wealth. Okay, so let me put it that way, which is their wisdom. Okay, and you see, from one family to the next family to the next family, or from one generation to the next generation to the next generation to the next generation to the next generation, it goes on and on and on and on and on. Because you have to immortalize yourself here on this planet when you discover who you are and you discover that you can use your creative power to achieve your every desire. You have to leave something that will go from generation to generation, and each of them will benefit from it. For example, people will always hear about Bob Marley because he created a legacy. Michael Jackson, a legacy. And I can go on and on, but I'm just using these examples to show you that they would have died and gone, yet they're still making money. So my brother, my sisters, true wealth is you really discovering, as I said before, your real purpose here. So my advice to you is, do not chase after money. Let money chase after you. Do not work for money. Let money work for you. How are you going to do that? You're going to do that by having money or financial education. And the best advice I can give to you from a spiritual standpoint is that you have to understand, first of all, that everything is energy, vibration, and frequency. And that you are a mass of energy. And that money is energy. And that money was first a thought, it was first an idea, it was first imagined. Therefore, those wise ones who would leave an inheritance, they will always know that you have to start from zero. So, the whole mathematical language is a secret language of how you can start from zero to hero. So my brother and my sisters, what I'm really saying to you is that you have to seek to know what is your gift. What is it that you're quite unique with? And remember, the race is not for the swift, but for those who endure to the end. Everyone knows about the franchise, Kentucky Chicken. And I want to believe it was around the age of 65. The recipe was realized. When we look at inventors like Edison and Ford and many others, we see many of them, they come into their calling after the age of 40. Some of them around 45, some 50, and so on, and I can go on and on. I know of a woman named Louise Hay, who I want to believe is around the same kind of age, between her 60s and 70s. She discovered the truth of what I'm actually teaching you here now, and she did so much. So my brother and my sisters, if we be honest with ourselves and we look around and we say, let us do a survey to see the people who have been providing generational wealth and the people who have not been providing generational wealth. We see that these people who have not been providing generational wealth, they have a strong belief in religion and academic education. They still believe in sending their children to school and forcing them to get as much education as possible and to get a good job. They're not teaching them how to discover their gifts and their talents. But my brother and my sisters, I'm saying to you, if you should seek anything in this world, seek first to know who you are. Seek first the kingdom. And when you seek first the kingdom, all these things will be added unto you. Whatever you desire will be added unto you. Because as I would have said before, and I'll say it again, you discover your purpose. There's nothing that will make you more happy or more fulfilled than when you find your purpose. It is not money that's going to make you happy. It's finding your purpose. That is why earlier on I was trying to explain the difference between riches and wealth. You see, sometimes when you have certain wisdom or specialized knowledge that can be taught to you in a school, and you're crazy enough like me to tell someone that you're wealthy, they will laugh at you. Because they do not know the importance of legacy. Legacy is more important than money. Because legacy will always be creating more and 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 more money. And I'm so glad that my ambition in life has always been from a very young age to know exactly who am I and who God is. And I'm saying to you, do the same. Seek it with all your heart. Because when you seek with all your heart and all your might, you will find it. You'll find the pearl of great price. And then you tap in to true wisdom. That is why you're told that the good man, the wise man, he will always leave an inheritance for his children. So my brother, my sister, it's time for us to wake up and stop all of the talking. It is time for us to listen to people who would have had true experience from within to teach you spiritual things. It's not how much books a person read. It's what experience they would have had. So when I come here to do what I'm doing here, it is because I've been sent to you. And if you believe what I am saying, and you put this teaching to work, where I always teach you that imagination creates reality, and that you must practice visualization, you must practice meditation, you must practice scripting, mirror work, journaling, inner talking, understanding the power of positive thinking. Do all of these things because you believe what I am saying. I am telling you, you will not be ashamed. You will get results. And results don't tell lies. So my brother, my sister, it's time for you to seek to know what is your calling, what is your purpose, what is it in this world that you really, really, really love to do and you're very good at it. Don't do it just for money. Do it because of the love. I remember when I leave my post office job as a postman many years ago, and I go more into fitness. People ask me which one making more money. I say it's not the money, it's what I love. It's what make me happy. That's why you have to learn to think for yourself if you really want to create generational wealth. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I can go on and on, but I want to come to a close here, and I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, it makes sense to you, it really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you feel strongly led to support this work, always remember that we have a PayPal, and the link is down below. Also, I want to mention, if you want to follow me on Instagram or you want to follow me on TikTok, you can follow me at BlackMadGuru. And if you want to be a part of my Patreon community also, you are most welcome, where you can listen to as much videos as possible without any interruption. Also, I have a course there that is called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And if you really want to tap into the Inner Sun Science and Technology, I would definitely encourage you to do so, because it's all about you aligning with the sun. And as I always say to you, the sun is always in purpose. The sun never disappoints. And when you get in alignment with the sun, which is the light that is within you, you will never be disappointed with the results that you will get in your life. So if you feel strongly led, again, let me say, feel free to check it out and be a part of this journey. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I want to thank you very much, and I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.